So I started off in like a pretty corrupt, house, full of domestic violence, drugs, and just violence and a lot of negative people. Went from house to house, but at a young age I was molested. Pretty. It always stays in the back of your mind, in your head, and it's something that you'll never forget. Being young, and then growing up and realizing, what's actually happened, and it kind of plays with your mind a little bit. Well, not a little bit, a lot. I used a lot of drugs. I did a lot of, fighting, violence stuff, a lot of negative stuff. But yeah, my mum helped me out. My mum helped me out a lot. My partner. So my mum's been through it all, She's had that stuff done to her. My partner, the same thing. And they just guide me the right way by helping me out through those tough times and showing me the right path and where the light is, and never to look back, just go push forward. I moved up to Tauranga. I'm originally from Wellington, but I moved up here to get away from all the negative stuff and start a new journey, be around positive people and a good environment. I'm living life to the fullest. I'm not going to let the past keep me down, hold me down. I'm going to strive through it all, become successful.
What do your dreams look like, bro?
I want to become a barber. I want to start my own business over in Australia. And I just want to become really successful.